Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system or the Bluetooth Sync 3 system in this 2017 Ford Focus. Any screen there, you've got settings over there and phone there. It's a touch screen. If I click settings there, you see Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth, add devices, view devices. We'll click on view devices and it shows you my phone there. Just click on the outer edge there, the arrow takes you to another menu, connect phone and media, connect media, or delete. Click delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, delete. That's it gone.